Ah,
Since I can't help out on the last one, because I have no idea, I'll start. For number three, I got the null hypothesis.
I agree.
yes. I'll go number 4. I got the null hypothesis as well.
I
I
did.
got.
And number 5, I got the null hypothesis as well.
Me too. For
Yes.
number six, I got mu is not equal to 10.
I did too.
Yes. 7, I've got mu is less than 10.
That's what I got.
8, mu is greater than 10.
That's what I got.
Yes.
For 9, I got p-value is greater than a.
Yep.
Yeah, and 10, I got p-value is less than a.
I got.
Okay, and 11, I got the average claim amount is greater than 1,500.
That's what I got.
Me too.
For 12, I got the average claim amount is equal to $1,500.
Yes. Okay, and then for 13, I got yes.
That's what I got.
Me too. And I got that because central limit theorem.
Yeah, that's what
Perfect.
I thought.
Okay.
For 15, this one I was not 100% sure on, but I put z.
The z-bar. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went
Not,
back and found that in the reading too, so z, right?
Right.
yeah, z. Not x bar, z, right?
Oh, I
Because
got
I went
X.
over, oh, you got x bar?
I'm sorry. Yes, I thought you said X bar. Is it? What did you say?
I said z, and then you said z bar, and I was like, I don't know what z bar is. It was fine.
I got
Um,
because you're dealing with the samples, and the test statistic is the sample.
well, I have no idea because like that was just what I got according to what I read, and it said where is it?
Section 4.1.
Yeah, there we go.
4.2 is actually where it specifically says the test statistic.
Yeah,
Okay.
so the test statistic it says, since we know the standard deviation in this case, we can use the z-score to determine if x bar is far from the assumed value. This is called the test statistic, and then it says z equals da 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 da, and then it gives you an answer. And so that's why I thought it was z, but I'm not sure.
I agree with you on that, Tasia.
Okay.
Z. Okay.
Yeah, because it'll say it right under it, then it continues, where z is the test statistic, x bar is the sample mean.
I was looking for that phrase. I was like, where is it? It's right there. Okay. There you go. Awesome. Okay.
How do you feel about that, Deb? Do you?
Well, if it's right there, I'm going to believe you. But I really thought that the X bar meant
That was the yeah.
that it was the test.
Okay, well oh,
The test. But okay, so I'm going to read that one.
okay, cool, and I can totally check it too. I feel fine about testing it, submitting mine in a second here.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I was up next. For number 16, I got negative 0.900.
Yes, I got a one. That's what I got.
Negative 0.900. Yes.
Awesome.
For 17, I got 0.368.
I didn't. Maybe I'm not doing too well tonight. I got 0.184.
I got 0.184 also.
Okay, okay, so maybe I did it wrong, 0.184.
Did you do the blue to the left, Acia?
Oh, just the left? 0.184. Wait, was it the one? single-tailed or whatever. Let's see, I can't remember.
Yeah, because 16, or the sample up there says mu is
Oh, negative
yeah.
0.0900. Okay.
Well, it says mu is less than 150, so less than means that you're going to just use the area to the left of the z-score.
Okay.
So,
Okay,
yeah,
so
the left-tailed. Mhm.
alternative hypothesis. Okay, yeah, that was confused about that. So mu is less than 150, right?
Right.
Okay, so then that means that I'm going to be doing what is less than what I got for z-score. We got it. Yes, that is what I got according to what you guys helped me. So yeah.
Which means that we failed, for number 18, we failed to reject a null hypothesis.
I got that. I don't know, somehow I still managed to get that we failed to reject the null hypothesis.
That works. So I've got that number 19 is a type 1 error.
That's what I got.
For 20, I got the probability of a type 2 error will increase.
That's what I got too.
Me too.
Awesome. Okay, now Deb, explain how you got the next one.
Because the alpha equals the probability of a type 1 error. So if you go to the wedge where he explains the type 1 error, it's like a little 9-minute video. He does pretty well on, and that's how I got it. So my alpha it's the same.
Okay, that's what I had guessed, because it was a 1 in 20 chance, right? So that's okay.
Yeah, that's what I read in the reading, and that's why I was just like, I'm not sure, because it says a 1 in 20, which would be 0.05, but wasn't sure how to do the math part of it.
So 0.05.
I think it's tricky that they said compute because it's so right there in your face, but
So wait, so you don't is that generally what the alpha is the probability? Is that generally how it goes? Or do you actually have to do an equation and plug things in order to get the probability?
I have a really hard time explaining that. I think
No, that's fine.
I think the wedge a guy who
Oh yeah, since you told me that, then I'll watch the wedges just because I want to do well on this weekend's quiz. So I'll still watch the wedges. I was just wondering if there was a formula to get the answer in general. But yeah, I'll watch the wedges because I think that would help me, and I totally forgot about them. So.
And he has some really practical advice in it, so the way he explains it, it makes sense. So I thought they were good.
I submitted mine. I was like, what the heck? So I submitted mine. I got 100 with the Z for number 15.
I totally believe you. But go back and figure out why. When I read it, I really thought that the sample, being the X, was the test statistic, but obviously it's right there in the reading that it's Z.
But it makes sense that you would think that, and I wasn't 100% sure, but it just said Z so many times that I was like, that's what I figured it is. So, yeah. But I will watch the wedges. I wonder where Sarah is.
I know, I feel bad that she wasn't here, but I don't know. I haven't heard from her since she sent the email on Tuesday. So.
Yeah. Or this Tuesday, yeah. Yeah, but I think that I understood everything pretty well, except for the 2 questions that I had, and I'll watch the wedge to figure that out. But I think that I'm just going to get started on the quiz for the weekend today, because otherwise I feel like I'll forget stuff if I don't keep it fresh in my brain as to what I learned today, because I read that thing thoroughly. So, I mean, I've read them all thoroughly, but today I spent hours on it. Like, it was ridiculous. Like, every minute of the day that I had that I wasn't in class, because I have 16 credits, including this one. Yeah, then I spent doing this. So I think I understood it pretty well. Thank you, Deb, for you know,
It
and
wasn't
and Alex for pointing out where I was like, I know that why I thought this, but I don't know exactly where it says it. So that's awesome that you actually read and saw that.
Yeah, for sure. I think this was a really productive meeting. So, yay,
Well,
yay for another 100.
Yay.
Tuesday.
Well,
So you guys did well on your test. Did I hear you say that?
I didn't do that great, but I think I just didn't understand a lot of this stuff. And as soon as the score came in, I was just like, no, I refuse to get a bad grade in this class. And so I like became super pumped up. And the same thing with my Chem 105 because I didn't do very well in that test either. Then in Chem 105 and biostats, and people were like, why would you torture yourself like that? And I'm like, I don't know. So I didn't do well on either of the tests. And today I was like, I felt like I was paying better, like I was focused better. And I don't know, maybe I just needed that slap in the face in both classes. Because I was putting in an effort, but it was like I wasn't retaining the information and I wasn't getting it. And then all of a sudden it was like my determination helped me out. I don't know. But yeah, thank you to both for all your help and explaining everything to me.
Have a good weekend, you guys.
Yeah, have a good weekend. See you Tuesday.
I just got an email from Sarah, said her Hangout isn't working.
Oh.
Oh man. Hopefully she'll be able to get credit for that still.
Yeah, I wonder if she can, I don't know, call one of us or something just so that she can go through the answers.
Yeah, I'll send her an email with my phone number and see if she wants to do that. It's a good idea.
Okay.
But yeah, I'll do that right now. So.
And if anybody needs me to do anything, I can help out too. But I wouldn't be able to explain it to her very well anyway.
So then you're going to post the link, and then Stacey, we have to remember to go back in and say that we attended.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Good.
Alrighty.
Tuesday then.
Okay,
See
see
you
you guys on Tuesday. Bye.
Bye.